believe I'm saying this, but we are in Lahore in Pakistan, one of the most vibrant and exciting cities I have ever been to. And on today's menu, we've got food, amazing people stories, beautiful culture and architecture, so much stuff. This is going to be an amazing day in this beautiful, bustling metropolis. I'm Ada Zubek and this is DW Travel in Lahore, Pakistan.
लाहौर बिलाशुबा पाकिस्तान का सकाफ़ती मरकज़ है। यहाँ मौजूद तारीख़ी फ़न तामीर की बाक़ियात का ताल्लुक़ मुग़ल दौर से है, उस वक्त से जब ख़ित्ते में सकाफ़त तरक्की करते हुए फल फूल रही थी। आज का लाहौर तारीख़, एनर्जी और ज़िंदगी का पुरकशिश इम्तिज़ाज है और आज हम इस शहर की सियाहत करेंगे यहीं लाहौर में ही पलने बढ़ने वाले इन साहब के साथ।
Hello, how are you? Welcome to Lahore.
Thank you so much. So excited to be here.
Same here.
मिलिए अदील लाहौरी से। इनका ख़ानदान लाहौर में कई नस्लों से आबाद है और ये शहर के चप्पे चप्पे से वाकिफ़ हैं। आज ये हमारे गाइड हैं।
This is the typical style of the Lahori welcome.
Oh my gosh! Amazing! What's the name of this shawl?
This is patka.
Patka.
The color actually it's like belongs to the happiness.
Oh, beautiful.
And these are the garlands for you for your hand.
Oh wow! Like this?
Yes.
Amazing. Two.
Now the pair is complete. This is actually represent the culture of Lahore.
अदील हमारा वक्त ज़ाया नहीं करना चाहते। उन्होंने इसी वक्त इस जगह हमारे पहले लाहौरी जायके का प्लान बनाया।
This is like more than 60 years old shop. Would you like to drink the lassi or make yourself?
I would love to try. Yeah.
This is actually the traditional drink of Lahore especially. The lassi actually used to be for the breakfast, like after the breakfast. So if you want to try it, you can try it. Take it.
Just roll it?
Yeah, more fast. More fast. Yes,
Like
yes. Even that it's gonna mix up. If you use like this one,
Oh.
now they have the taste.
This is the professional.
Do it. Again, use this one. Your like must be your hands.
Oh. Any better?
It's better.
लस्सी दही से बना मशरूब है जो पाकिस्तान और भारत में मकबूल है। यहाँ ये भैंस के ताज़ा दूध से बनती है। ठीक है, मेरे ख्याल से अब इसे चखने का वक्त आ गया है।
It's super fresh, very sweet. Obviously you can see so creamy and frothy. Oh my gosh, this is really an amazing breakfast.
हमारी अगली मंजिल लाहौर का अफसानवी और पुरअसरार वॉल्ट सिटी है। ये लाहौर के कदीम मोहल्लों में से एक है जिनकी तारीख हज़ारों बरस पुरानी है। ये शहर की रूह और धड़कता दिल है।
So we are right now outside the Lahori gate. This is the first gate of Lahore built by the Akbar. Let's go inside.
It's actually quite amazing, the feeling of walking down these streets here in the walled city of Lahore. You can just imagine the lives of the people throughout the centuries in all these houses, in all these buildings. The spirit, the soul, this place has it all. So when we're walking around the streets, there's lots of things hanging up on the wires just above the street, like towels. Why are those here?
Actually, it is a sign that you are close to the hammam.
Hammam.
Hammam actually is you take a shower, and it's a barbershop aspect here.
Oh wow!
So look at the desi style of the barber, and they have a Western music. Enjoy the like salon, right? So they have everything. Look at that. This is the old style to shave.
So everybody's just sitting around relaxing like in a spa.
Exactly.
Okay, so tell us, Adil, where are we right now? What's going on here? It's very busy.
It's a busy day because today is Sunday. So Sunday is considered the ladies shopping day. This is, by the way, oldest bazaar in Lahore, especially inside the walled city, and that is the Kashmiri Bazaar.
So is this the kind of place that you would come to if you wanted to buy some really special outfit for a wedding or a party? Is this where you would come?
Everything you can get it here. It's a very like comical price.
Okay, look, I have a favor to ask of you. Can you help me get some souvenirs for me, my friends, my family?
Sure,
from
why
the
not?
Kashmiri market in Lahore?
Sure, why not?
All right.
You can buy it. No
Let's
problem
do
at all. It will be the gift for you. No problem.
Shopping. Let's go. They're so colourful, so beautiful. So 200 rupees for 2 sets of glass bangles. That's about $1, $1.50. Check these out. These here are called parandas, and they are accessories that women put in their hair on special occasions, like weddings, for example. I kind of wish I could just wear these on a daily basis, you know? So this is how you would tie it into your hair. Now I can't really do it properly, so I can't show you in much detail, but let's try a rough cut. So you make a braid with your hair, and the paranda becomes a part of your braid. It's definitely not perfect, but you see what I mean.
पुराना लाहौर इस तरह की जगह है जो आपको अपनी एनर्जी, अपनी गहमा गहमी से अपनी जानिब खींचता है। मुझे महसूस होता है कि अगर आप यहाँ कहीं दहाइयाँ भी गुजारें तब भी हर नया दिन नया तजुर्बा लेकर आएगा। हमारी अगली मंजिल है लाहौर में फूलों की हारों की मार्केट। यहाँ गुल फरोश गजरे बनाते हैं और शादियों में सजावट के लिए फूल फरोख्त करते हैं।
So here is an inspiration. If you ever go to a wedding and you want to give someone cash, but you feel that it looks weird and awkward in an envelope, you can now be inspired to create a garland out of dollar bills. Look how beautiful. Super elegant, very, very showy and flashy. The perfect wedding gift.
लेकिन अब वक्त ज़ाया नहीं करते। अगला मकाम आपके होश उड़ा देगा।
Look, Lahore is such an incredibly rich, historic city, and there's a lot of beautiful buildings and mosques here, but there is one that every time I see it, no matter how many times I've seen it, it just always feels so magical to look at it. The most beautiful mosque I've ever seen on all of my travels around the world. The Wazir Khan Mosque. Let's go and check it out.
वज़ीर खान मस्जिद पुराने शहर के ऐन मरकज़ में वाक़या है, उस वक्त से जब 17वीं सदी में इसे तामीर किया गया, मुग़ल बादशाह शाहजहाँ के दौरे हुक्मरानी में। ये वही शख्सियत हैं जिन्होंने भारत में ताज महल तामीर करने का हुक्म दिया था। फ्रेस्कोई नकाशी, ईरानी तर्ज के टाइल्स और रंगे हुए मुक़द्दस कलमात से ये मस्जिद ढकी हुई है। ये बहुत हैरत अंगेज़ बात है कि वज़ीर खान मस्जिद को 17वीं सदी में मुकम्मल होने में सिर्फ 7 बरस लगे।
So I've just sat down here in the middle of Wazir Khan Mosque for a few minutes, and honestly being here, sitting here, being connected to this place just feels so serene. It feels like I am in this oasis in the middle of such a busy, chaotic, exciting city, but here everything is suddenly quiet. All around us the city changes, moves on, transforms every single day. But this mosque has remained the same. It's this one place of constancy in the heart of Lahore. I really hope that it survives the test of time.
पुराने लाहौर में तूफ़ानी दिन गुजारने के बाद अब वक्त आ गया है अदील को अलविदा कहने और अगले एडवेंचर की जानिब सफ़र का।
I'm about to meet a friend of mine. She told me to come here to the outskirts of Lahore to meet her here, and she told me to bring a motorbike helmet. There she is! Hi! Good to see you! What a bike!
Finally! Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good, how are you?
I'm fine. This time I want you to actually ride the bike.
Really? Do
Yes.
you trust me with that?
Well, guess I can trust you, but if I can, teach you how to ride, then I'm sure that you'll be able to,
Amazing!
Are you ready? But safety first.
Alright.
ये ज़ीनत इरफान है। ये पहली खातून है जिन्होंने मुल्क के शिमाल में पहाड़ी मुसाफत अपनी बाइक पर तय की। ऐसा मुल्क जहाँ अभी बाइक चलाती ख़वातीन अमूमन नज़र नहीं आती। वहाँ ये ना सिर्फ पायनियर हैं बल्कि दीगर लड़कियों और ख़वातीन के लिए इंस्पिरेशन भी हैं।
You've thrown me in the deep water. You're right in the deep water.
This is a challenge you have to do, because you know they say that, you know, 4 wheels they just move the body. It's a very famous saying, but 2 wheels move the soul.
I love that.
Yeah.
That is that just gave me so much motivation. Oh, so exciting. So, release the clutch slowly, and then gently add some gas. This is the best thing in the world! Honestly, there's something about riding a motorbike that just sets your soul on fire.
Now, I would love you to actually sit behind me and experience the motorcycle a little bit, like on, you know, like faster speed.
Yeah.
So that you can understand how it feels like, and then we'll go and catch up with some food. Let's have something to eat.
Perfect, let's do it.
तो मैं और जीनत एक साथ बाइक पर हैं और काफ़ी लोग हमारी तरफ मुतवज्जे हैं। हमारी मंजिल एक बार फिर लाहौर के वस्त में, जहां हमने मुकामी फूड स्ट्रीट से कुछ रिवायती खाना खाने का प्लान बनाया।
How is it like? It's amazing. But you can see that in Lahore there's no point in having a car. You have to have a motorbike. The traffic is so crazy.
And you can, and now I'm going to tell you something's going to happen to you.
What?
Take it off. No.
If I can. So tight.
This is called helmet hair.
Beautiful.
This is proof that you did something in your life. That you did some adventure. I think after all adventure we should eat something.
That's a good idea. What should we have?
Golgappe.
Golgappe.
Golgappe is like a street food over here, and it's very famous. One of my favorite street foods.
Alright, I'm ready for it.
These are the golgappes, as you can see. They're very crunchy, and you have to dip it in some sort of like a sour water.
So basically like chips with salty water.
Yes, yes, exactly. And these are golgappes, as you can see. I'm going to teach you how to actually eat it. This is the water that I was talking about, which is pani.
The pani.
Golgappe ka pani kehte hain. This is this pani. It's very sour. So you'll feel tingling sensation over here.
Yeah.
And then we have over here chaat. This is chaat. And as you can see, this is boiled potatoes and chickpeas. And then we have a lot of chutney. So this is sweet chutney, as you can see. Okay.
It's good.
And if you feel even this is not spicy enough, then you kill your tongue, burn your tongue by adding the spice. And I'm going to make you do it.
This looks dangerous.
No, you have to do it, okay? Now, with this dish, there is no like clean, proper way to eat this dish, okay? It's a very messy snack, I would say, okay? Now, what you have to do is that you have to take this chaat, okay? Yeah, fill it for you, right? And fill it as much as you like over inside the golgappa,
nice,
like
nice,
this.
nice.
Fill it in.
I can already see how messy it's gonna get.
Okay, this is enough for me, and then
Some chutney.
yes, I just have a little bit.
All
Not
right.
much, okay.
You're gonna have the spices now.
Yes, because what is a golgappa if you don't have spice in it and mixed with salt? I just hope I don't get a sore throat after this. Okay, so you add a little bit of spice. I think this much is
Yeah.
enough.
Oh wow, that's a lot.
That's a lot.
You're brave.
Okay, now the moment has arrived where this will get messy. So the thing with golgappe is that it gets wet as soon as you add it in the water.
Okay.
So it starts to become very soggy. So you have to eat it immediately. You can't eat it in pieces.
So dip and eat.
Okay. So I'm gonna dip it now and. You have prepared so good. My face literally went, oh, I love it. Okay, now your turn.
A little bit worried.
Try it.
I'm a little bit worried. Okay, I don't know if I can handle this kind of level of spice.
Okay, so
But okay, so
add a little. Okay, I'll add it for you.
some chutney.
This is some chutney. Okay, add it as much as you like.
Can I add the other chutney as well?
Yes, you can. Yeah, this is made of yogurt. This is raita.
Raita.
We call it raita because it's mint leaves mixed with yogurt.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And some of the spicy
Yeah.
stuff.
At your own risk. You know, this is at your own risk.
I'll start slow, modest, like this.
Okay. And get ready. Now dip it and eat it as fast as you can.
Dip and eat.
Yeah, just swallow it all.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, she became red. Oh, she can feel all the spicy.
Oh my God. This is the most intense thing I've ever eaten in my entire life.
I saw you getting red. There's a burst of flavors in your mouth. Yeah.
It's the spice, the sour flavors, the bitterness,
Yeah.
the crunch, the softness, and it's a huge bite.
Yes.
It really overwhelms you.
जीनत ना सिर्फ बेहतरीन मोटर बाइकर हैं बल्कि मकामी फूड स्ट्रीट की सैर के लिए एक बेहतरीन गाइड भी हैं। इससे पहले कि उनसे रुखसत ली जाए, मैं पाकिस्तान में बहैसियत खातून मोटरसाइकिल सवार होने के तजुर्बात के बारे में उनसे कुछ सवालात करना चाहती थी।
Zinat, how did you start riding?
I started riding really long time ago, back in 2013. So initially it was a way for me to connect with my father because my father passed away when I was very young. I was around 10 months old. And when I found out that he was actually a crazy traveler and he wanted to pursue traveling as a passion, fast forward 2013, I was going to university, about to go to university, and I was facing a lot of problems, you know, in terms of commuting. So that's when my actually uncle proposed an idea that why don't you buy a small bike so that it can help Zenith, you know, be independent when it comes to commute. You know, I was able to get the confidence, and as you saw, you know, there's a lot of traffic, a lot of people, you know, horning in your ears, and it gets really scary. And on the 14th of August 2015, left for Punjab Pass. So it's that pass that connects Pakistan with China.
So way up in the north of the mountains.
Because of social media, because of a lot of awareness, and since I was also posting a lot about my adventures, a lot of girls ride now. You will actually see more and more girls riding right
You've
now.
been a real inspiration to women.
I wouldn't say I was.
Really? I mean,
But yeah, things are changing.
I'm sure you will manage to inspire many, many more people to come with all of your future adventures.
Inshallah, I hope so. I do.
Lovely seeing you.
Me too. So happy.
इससे पहले कि मैं आपसे रुखसत लूं, मैं वाकई चाहती हूं कि आप रात के वक्त लाहौर घूमने का मजा उठाएं। ऐसा लगता है ये शहर कभी सोता ही नहीं। रात सड़कों पर यूं ही जिंदगी दौड़ती है जैसे कि दिन में। दुकानदार यूं ही कारोबार कर रहे होते हैं जबकि फूड स्टॉल्स पर हर चीज ताज़ा दस्तयाब होती है। हमें गहमा गहमी के दरमियान एक छोटा सा पुरसुकून नखलिस्तान मिल गया।
So we were just walking around the streets of Lahore in the evening and we stumbled upon this street called the Musician's Street. And this shop is an actual working, living workshop where professionals, musicians themselves actually create beautiful wooden handmade instruments from scratch. It's amazing to see them work. Well, almost like the real thing.
इन ड्रम्स को तबला कहते हैं और ये बर्रे सगीर की रिवायती साज है। जो इसे तख्लीक कर रहे हैं वो मौसीकार हैं। ये साहब 40 सालों से अपने हाथों से तबले बना रहे हैं। और ये लाहौर की कदीमी शहर की बस एक झलक है। ये पाकिस्तान का सकाफती खजाना है। लाहौर में आपको बेहद तवानाई, तारीख और हर कोने में जिंदगी मिलेगी। और मेरे ख्याल में इस शहर की रूह को आप एक छोटी सी फिल्म में नहीं समो सकते। इस तजर्बे को महसूस करने के लिए आपको खुद यहाँ आकर लुत्फ उठाना होगा।